Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 bracket D. Now the question answered the difference between the 11th term and the 4th term. The first thing you do, you find the 11 terms. From the question, you now have Tn is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 bracket D. So that is T11. So the T11 will now be A plus 10 minus 1. Sorry. It will now be, because we are able to say 11 minus 1. So the next you just do that, it is 10D. That is T11. So now we now able to find the T4. That is the 4th term, which should be A plus 4 minus 1 bracket D, which is equal to A plus 3D. But the question says that the difference between the 11 terms and the 4 terms of an AP is 49. So you will now say that T11 minus T4 is equal to 49. From that area, you know that T11 is A plus 10D plus 10D minus, you open a bracket, A plus 3D. Everything is equal to 49. So A plus 10D minus A minus 3D is equal to 49. So you have to collect the like terms to have A minus A plus 10D minus 3D is equal to 49. So this, you cancel this. We have 7D is equal to 49. You divide both sides by 7. You have 7D over 7 is equal to 49 over 7. This we cancel this. So D is equal to 7. D now is equal to 7. So that is the common difference. So the question still continue. It said, find A. How do we find A? But you have to come to this section in the second statement that said, if the 11th term is 2 whole number 24 over 25 times the 4th term, you have to express that forms, that if T11 is 2 whole number 24 over 25 times T3 times T4, that is times T4. So we now have, and the T11 is A plus 10D. We now give you, this is 2 times 25, making 50. 50 plus 24, which is 74 over 25. Now times the T4 is A plus 3D. So the first thing you do now is you cross multiply. The 25 will multiply this, and the 74 will multiply A plus 3D. So it will now have 25 brackets, because you have A plus 10D. So you write A plus 10D is equal to 74 onto A plus 3D. So by the time you expand the bracket, you have 25A plus 250D is equal to 74a plus. So you go further to press your calculator to know the value of 74 times 3, which will give you 222. So it will give you 222 value of D. So let's collect the like terms. Let A be in one position. 25A minus 74D is equal to 222D minus 250D. So let's subtract 74 minus 25. We have 74 minus 25. You go to calculator to press. This will give you 49a is equal to, so it will be minus, because it will be minus 49. So this will give you, so you now go to calculator again to press 250 minus 222 to give you 28. That is a 28. This will give you 28D. But if you can able to still remember that we have gotten the value of D here to be 7, you now substitute the value of D. This is also minus, so the minus will cancel minus, which will give you 49A is equal to 28D. And recall that D from our previous answer, D is 7. So D is equal to 7. So you now have 49A is equal to 28 times 7. So A will be 28 times 7 over 49. So which can still be written as 4 times 7 times 7 over 7 times 7. So this will cancel this. So the value of A will be 4. So far so good. We are able to get the value of A to be 4 and D to be 7. You go back to the C question. The C question said that it said the 61 terms of the sequence. So if you are to find the 61 terms of the sequence, you still remember that the Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 bracket D. So the T61 will be A plus 61 minus 1 bracket D, which is equal to A plus 60D. Recall that the value of A is 4. So 4 plus 60 times 7, which is equal to 4 plus. So you back to your calculator to press that 60 times 7, which will give you 420. 420. So by the time you add it together, so the T61 will now be 424. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can be able to see anytime we are dropping solution. So in revisions of what we have able to have done so far, so these are the questions. So in overall, so these are the questions, and the is an AP question and solution. So don't forget to also put on your notification on to all. So anytime we are dropping questions,